Using wood furniture and wood decor pieces in home decor adds warmth, character, and a sense of timelessness to any space. Wood has long been a favored material in interior design, celebrated for its natural beauty, versatility, and durability. When incorporated thoughtfully, wooden elements can enhance the aesthetic appeal of a home while providing practical benefits. This exploration delves into the myriad ways that wood can be utilized in home decor, highlighting its advantages and the emotional connections it fosters. One of the most compelling aspects of wood is its natural beauty. Each piece of wood features unique grain patterns, textures, and colors, which can create a striking visual impact in a room. The organic qualities of wood bring a sense of nature indoors, establishing a calming atmosphere that resonates with many individuals. The warmth of wood contrasts beautifully with cooler materials like metal and glass, creating a balanced and inviting environment. This combination of aesthetics and comfort is especially appealing in spaces where relaxation and connection are paramount, such as living rooms and bedrooms. Wood furniture serves as a foundation for any room's decor. Whether it's a dining table, a coffee table, or a bed frame, the presence of wood can anchor a space and set the tone for the overall design. The choice of wood species can influence the room's ambiance significantly. Lighter woods like ash or maple can create an airy, modern feel, while darker woods, such as walnut or mahogany, bring a sense of elegance and sophistication. The finish applied to the wood, whether matte, glossy, or distressed, further affects the visual appeal and the atmosphere of the space. In addition to aesthetics, wood furniture offers practicality and functionality. Many wooden pieces are designed to serve dual purposes, contributing to efficient use of space. For example, a wooden bench can offer both seating and storage, while a coffee table with drawers can provide a place to store magazines, remote controls, or other items. This blend of beauty and utility allows homeowners to maximize their living spaces while maintaining an uncluttered appearance. Wood decor pieces, such as wall art, sculptures, or decorative accents, can also enhance the overall design of a home. These elements add layers of texture and interest to a room, drawing the eye and creating focal points. Wooden wall art, for instance, can serve as a stunning centerpiece above a sofa or bed, while smaller wooden accents, like carved figurines or picture frames, can add personal touches throughout the space. The tactile quality of wood invites touch and interaction, fostering a deeper connection to the decor. Moreover, incorporating wood into home decor can create a sense of continuity and flow between different areas of a home. When wood elements are used consistently throughout a space, they can unify the design and establish a cohesive look. For example, using similar wood tones in furniture and decor pieces can tie together rooms, creating a harmonious transition from one area to another. This continuity not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to a sense of comfort and familiarity within the home. The emotional connection to wood is another significant aspect of its use in home decor. Wood carries a sense of history and craftsmanship, often evoking feelings of nostalgia and tradition. Many people have fond memories associated with wooden furniture, such as family gatherings around a dining table or childhood moments spent in a cozy wooden playroom. By incorporating wood into their decor, individuals can create spaces that resonate with personal stories and cherished memories, transforming a house into a home. In addition to nostalgia, the organic nature of wood fosters a connection to the environment. Many homeowners are increasingly seeking to bring elements of the outdoors into their living spaces, and wood serves as a perfect medium for this purpose. The warmth and texture of wood evoke feelings of comfort and tranquility, creating an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and connection. By using wood in their decor, individuals can cultivate a sanctuary that reflects their values and enhances their well-being. Sustainability is also an important consideration in today's design landscape, and wood can be an eco-friendly choice when sourced responsibly. Many consumers are increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their choices, seeking materials that are renewable and ethically harvested. When using wood furniture and decor, selecting pieces made from sustainably sourced or reclaimed wood can contribute to a more environmentally conscious home. This commitment to sustainability resonates with individuals who prioritize ethical consumption, allowing them to design spaces that align with their values. The versatility of wood in home decor is another key advantage. Wood can adapt to various design styles, from rustic and traditional to modern and minimalist. This adaptability makes it easy to incorporate wood pieces into any decor scheme, enhancing the overall aesthetic. For instance, reclaimed wood can add a rustic charm to a contemporary space, while sleek, polished wood can complement a minimalist design. This flexibility allows homeowners to express their personal style freely, creating environments that reflect their individuality. Creating contrast with wood elements can also enhance the overall design of a home. Pairing wood with other materials, such as metal, glass, or fabric, can create striking visual dynamics. For example, a wooden dining table can be beautifully complemented by metal chairs, creating an interesting juxtaposition of textures. Similarly, wooden shelves can be paired with glass decor items, adding depth and intrigue to the space. This interplay between materials encourages creativity and innovation in design, allowing homeowners to curate unique and personalized environments. Lighting plays a crucial role in showcasing the beauty of wood in home decor. The way light interacts with wood can significantly enhance its visual appeal, highlighting the grain patterns and textures. Natural light can warm up wooden surfaces, while strategically placed artificial lighting can create dramatic shadows and focal points. By considering lighting in relation to wood elements, homeowners can create inviting atmospheres that draw attention to the beauty of their decor. In addition to aesthetic considerations, the acoustical properties of wood can enhance a home's ambiance. Wood is known for its ability to absorb sound, creating a quieter and more serene environment. This quality is particularly valuable in open-concept living spaces where noise can easily travel. Incorporating wooden elements, such as paneling, ceilings, or furniture, can help soften echoes and create a more pleasant auditory experience. This focus on acoustics contributes to a sense of comfort and tranquility, further enhancing the home environment. The tactile nature of wood also invites interaction and engagement. Unlike more rigid materials, wood has a warmth and softness that encourages touch. Wooden surfaces can feel inviting and comforting, fostering a sense of connection between the occupant and their environment. This tactile experience is particularly important in spaces where people gather and interact, such as living rooms or dining areas. The ability to engage with the material enhances the overall experience of the space, creating a welcoming atmosphere for family and friends. Well, dear viewers, there they have them, our hand-picked wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for your home decor venture. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content in return. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.